Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone touchscreen not working, whether it's not responding to your touch, glitching, or just simply can't do anything with it. You're going to follow these steps. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and try to clean the screen. So if you have any dust, oil, basically any liquid or anything that's on the screen can affect the touchscreen itself. So take a microfiber cloth like this one, nothing crazy. Simply just lightly, gently wipe it down till it's fully clear. Then you don't see any dust, oil, or any liquid on it. So you're going to clean it up. Now the next thing to consider is that if you have a tempered glass or screen protector that recently got damaged or is cracking, you might want to consider removing it and put a new one in case that can interfere with the touch as well. And then another thing to consider is that if you recently put on a new tempered glass or screen protector and you're noticing the touch isn't working, it's most likely because that that screen protector that you have could not well be a good fit for it. So I recommend removing it as well. And finally, if you put on a new case or a case, sometimes some of the magnetic one can interfere with the touch. So when you touch it, it actually interferes with it and it might not be working correctly. I recommend removing the case as well. Now, after you have done those things, the next thing you want to do is follow this step. First thing you're going to do is press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button. As you can see here, I'm holding on to the side button. Now it says slide to power off. Do not do that. We're going to force the phone to completely shut down like that as I'm holding on to that side button and wait for the Apple logo to appear and then let go. If it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. You want to press and quickly release the volume up and then press and release the volume down one after another in sequence before you hold on to that big side button until the screen goes black. And this is what's known as a forced restart, which basically forces the phone to shut down and then reload the code. So if it's a software related bug, a glitch causing that touchscreen not to work, it will fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is, if it's still not working, is gently press across the screen here. Sometimes the connectors might be loose, so what happens is when you press it down, not too hard, I recommend using the microfiber cloth again, and you're going to press it down just to see if there's any way that if recently separated or the connectors underneath got loose, it could potentially put it in place and will make the touch screen work. So you're going to press it down gently. You don't want to overdo it because you don't want to break your, of course, your display here, right? So you're going to press it down across the board just like that I am doing. I'm not putting too much pressure, basically like squeezing it together to make sure that if it's a loose connector, it will be fixed from it. And hopefully touchscreen is working. Now, if it's not working, the next thing to do is update your iPhone software, but because the touch isn't working, you'll have to connect it to iTunes or Finder on a newer MacBook. And that's in another video. It takes a little bit of process, but basically once you connect it and you connect it to that program, it'll update it for you through that program. If you don't know how to do that, go check out other video that I'm going to link to it, as it will take some time. So you're going to go ahead and update your phone, and hopefully after that it works. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.